Malamig. Hi, Miss Krishna!
Hello everyone, mabuhay! Hello po!
Ayan. Miss Krishna, we are very delighted and honored to have you here with us. And of course, in behalf of all our kabayans here in UAE, especially Dubai, maraming salamat. You know, I feel like I'm starstruck with you right now. I know. I was just watching her, and then now I am beside you on stage. Miss Krishna, pakibati naman ang ating Madlang Winter Night Market.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ayan, nagagalak po akong makita kayong lahat. Hello po! And I see some familiar faces as well, so I'm very happy. It's my first time to be here in Dubai, and I'm very happy to celebrate my Christmas here. Of course, after this, we will also celebrate Christmas in Abu Dhabi. So if any of your friends will be there, we'll also have a meet and greet there. But thank you so much, and I'm very happy to see all of you po.
Thank you so much. And you know what, Miss Krishna, meron kang fan na fan dito. Dinala niya pa yung sash.
Talaga?
Oo, eto. I would like to call in over a very fan of yours. Ayan, meron siyang Miss Universe sash. Halika, dali! This is your opportunity. See how much he adores you, Miss Krishna. Ayan, palakpakan, oh! Pak, may sash! There you go. I think we know each other.
Nakaramba din.
Diba? Alright. So, how do you feel that you have met Miss Krishna in person right now?